This is we're taking a video of the basement. It just got the drywall in today.
Do not sing.
I am.
The basement.
Take me on a tour.
Okay.
That was the family room.
Well,
Movie theater.
This is the bathroom.
The bathroom.
This is a bed.
Hold on. I like to show all the different holes in the wall for the outlets and the vents.
This is the bathroom again.
Still.
This is the closet where you're going to put blankets and all sorts of stuff. And
Towels.
Is a master bedroom with 2 closets.
Yeah, this will be Grammy's room.
So right here is a closet.
Nice.
Oh, right behind you is another closet.
Woo! And the closet under the stairs.
Yeah.
And there's a light in there. You see that light? But we don't have the light switch hooked up yet. It has all the drywall stuff. Probably like the mud that they'll use to cover all the seams. And this is Maddie June.
Which I will rub my butt on you.
And tomorrow will be Thanksgiving 2020. Woohoo!
I can't wait for Thanksgiving.
It's gonna be so fun.
And my friend can't really dance.
Really?
Yeah, she says this is dancing.
Everyone dances different. Celebrate.
But this is, and she says this is not dancing.
Jumping? Yeah, that's why we're wearing shoes so that we can.
Not get like all this sand all over our feet.
Yeah. You gonna help Daddy bake an apple pie for Thanksgiving?